Splash! We're going to the beach! Yippee, yippee, you and me. Towel, hat, sunglasses, sand toys. Whee! It's gonna be so much fun. Ouch, ouch, ouch. This sand is hot. Towel, umbrella. Now it's not. Squirt, squirt sunscreen on our skin. Rubby, rubby, rub it in. Let's go swim! Splishy splash. Run away from waves that crash. Seashells, starfish. Crabs, a clam spitting out water. Build a castle made of sand. The crab wants to join in too. Summer sunny. What's that? Ice cream runny. Sandy, sticky, rinse away. Time to go? No! Time to stay. Oh, they're so happy at the beach with their sunglasses. More summer things. We have lemonade, a sunflower. Do you see the butterfly? There it is at the bottom of the page. Got a wading pool, strawberries, an ice pop, floaty, a sprinkler, and do you see the bumblebee?